Amazon Cloudwatch. Amazon Cloudwatch is a monitoring service for Amazon Web Services, AWS, cloud resources, and the applications you run on AWS. Cloudwatch collects metrics, logs, and events from your AWS resources and stores them in the cloud. You can use Cloudwatch to track the health and performance of your applications, identify and troubleshoot problems, and optimize your resources. Cloudwatch can be used to monitor Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon RDS databases, Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon DynamoDB tables, Amazon CloudFront distributions, and many more. Cloudwatch provides a variety of features to help you monitor your AWS resources, including metrics. Cloudwatch collects metrics from your AWS resources, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk I/O. You can use these metrics to track the health and performance of your applications. Logs. Cloudwatch collects logs from your AWS resources, such as application logs, web server logs, and system logs. You can use these logs to troubleshoot problems and identify errors. Events. Cloudwatch collects events from your AWS resources, such as start-stop events, error events, and security events. You can use these events to track the activity of your applications and resources. Alarms. Cloudwatch alarms allow you to set thresholds for your metrics and logs. When a metric or log exceeds a threshold, Cloudwatch can send you an alert or take an automated action. Dashboards. Cloudwatch dashboards allow you to visualize your metrics, logs, and events. You can use dashboards to track the health and performance of your applications and resources. Cloudwatch is a powerful monitoring service that can help you track the health and performance of your AWS resources. If you are running applications on AWS, I recommend that you use Cloudwatch to monitor your applications. Here are some of the benefits of using Amazon Cloudwatch. Real-time monitoring. Cloudwatch collects metrics and logs in real time, so you can always see the current state of your applications and resources. Scalability. Cloudwatch can scale to monitor thousands of AWS resources. Cost-effectiveness. Cloudwatch is a cost-effective monitoring solution. You only pay for the metrics and logs that you collect. If you are looking for a reliable, scalable, and cost-effective monitoring solution for your AWS resources, I recommend that you use Amazon Cloudwatch. Here are some of the things you can do with Amazon Cloudwatch. Monitor your AWS resources. Cloudwatch collects metrics from your AWS resources, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space utilization. You can use these metrics to track the health and performance of your resources. Monitor your applications. Cloudwatch can collect logs and events from your applications. You can use these logs and events to troubleshoot problems and identify performance bottlenecks. Create alarms. Cloudwatch can create alarms that alert you when your metrics exceed or fall below a certain threshold. This can help you to quickly identify and resolve problems. Send notifications. Cloudwatch can send notifications to you or other users when your metrics exceed or fall below a certain threshold. This can help you to stay informed about the health of your resources and applications. Visualize your data. Cloudwatch provides a variety of tools that you can use to visualize your data. This can help you to understand your data and identify trends. Cloudwatch is a powerful monitoring and observability service that can help you to keep your AWS resources and applications running smoothly. If you are looking for a powerful and scalable monitoring solution for your AWS resources and applications, then Amazon Cloudwatch is a great option. Thank you. Subscribe for more topics.